Welcome back. Let's take a bit of a breather from the equity markets and talk about currencies now. The rupee opened today at a fresh record low of 81.90 versus the US dollar. Lata is here to tell us what's happening there. 82 on the cards. I mean, it's just a matter of when and not if. Lata, over to you.
Well, it's actually a double whammy now for Asian currencies. It's not anymore talking only about US yields. We have to talk about China. The Chinese currency saw a much lower fixing today. You know, Chinese currency doesn't, it's not entirely market determined. The PBOC determines a midpoint and allows the currency to float around it. The new midpoint, which everyone thought would come closer to 7.16 per dollar, which was yesterday's close, came in at 7.22, which was quite a surprise. They actually allowed or enforced a depreciation. And so all Asian currencies are showing that impact. And of course, the rupee was no exception. Right from the word go, we started off at 81.90. What dealers tell us is that there is a persistent dollar offering, which they are guessing is from the Reserve Bank. And they are guessing that because of this offer, 81.94 is not getting crossed. Also, the rupee looks like a relative outperformer because at 81.94, it is about 0.3-0.4 lower than previous close. The Korean won is 1.25% lower than yesterday's close. The Chinese yuan itself is down 0.75 versus yesterday's close. So clearly this is, a worldwide phenomenon. And just to add, US yields overnight crossed 4%, the 10-year that is, which is a fresh 13-year high. And the US data came very robust. Consumer confidence as well as new home sales. New home sales were 28% higher than June, the July numbers, whereas they were actually expected to fall by about 0.05. So, strong noises coming from Fed governors who spoke like Bullard and Evans as well. And therefore, the market now is not looking like there is any immediate peaking off of the dollar or bottoming out of the currency. At least for the moment, there's more to go.